Hello guys, so in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger switch accounts problem. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find every single app that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find the Facebook Messenger as you can see right here. Click on it and then click on force stop to stop the app. After that, go into the storage as you can see right here and wait a few seconds. It will start loading as you can see. After that, click on clear data and click on delete. And that's it. Now you have only to restart your phone, and congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.